Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on Python for ethical hacking. In this video we'll explain the basic features or the basic working mechanism of Kali Linux. So let's get started by opening up the Kali Linux. So this is basically Kali Linux, which is a flavor of Linux created by Offensive Security exclusively for ethical hacking or hacking purpose. Like any flavor of Linux can be used for hacking, but the Kali Linux is special because it do have a lot of different pre-installed applications for hacking. So that's why it's preferred by people for hacking. You can also use the Parrot OS, you can use the Arc OS, you can literally use any Linux distro, but you have to install the softwares that you need for ethical hacking, while Kali Linux comes with pre-built softwares for hacking. So let's get started with the basics of Kali Linux. Well, the first thing that comes in with the Kali Linux is these applications menu. So you can see that we do have a lot of different ethical hacking or hacking applications right over here installed and categorized for us. So these are the information gathering softwares which can be run with just a single click. The next one is the vulnerability analysis. The third one is the web application analysis, and the fourth one is the database assessment, and so on and so forth. You can go on with these applications and you can use any one of that, either the social engineering one, the reporting tool, and anything. So this was the application menu. The next one is the places. So this is some important places that you can go simply by coming over to the places, and you can go to home, desktop, documents, downloads. You can just go anywhere from here. Like these are some default locations that you can choose from. You can either go to the places from here, or you can just click on this files and it will open up this file explorer. So the same thing, you can go to desktop, document, downloads, and everywhere you want to go from the places you can go from here. So this is basically the file explorer for the Kali Linux. You can use for viewing the file. Suppose you can go to documents, you can go to downloads, you can go to music, you can go to trash, and literally you can go anywhere from here. So and this was the file explorer. Let's minimize this. This is our desktop. So you can store any, like the desktop of the Kali Linux is similar to the desktop of a Mac OS or Windows you use. And this is the application bar, like the taskbar in Windows or the bottom bar in the Mac. So it's similar to that. It stores your favorite applications. You can add an application by simply dragging it over to the taskbar, and it will add it over there. So this stores your favorite application, and if you want to view all of the application, just click on this menu icon, and it will bring up a screen in which you can either look for frequent applications or all applications. So the all application stores the calculator and all of the installed applications in your Kali Linux. And also you can install many more by going over to the package, I think application manager. Yes, it's software. So if you click on softwares, it will bring up the softwares, and you can install any software in Kali Linux from this software manager. So here it is. It's being downloaded, but anyway, you can do whatever you want to do from here, from the software. So you can install any software from the softwares. Now coming over to here, this is the time and the day it's showing. From here you can record your screen, and this is the important thing. the different workspaces. So the Kali Linux comes with 2 default workspaces, and you can use these workspaces as separate computers. Like if I open up the Firefox on this workspace, and once the Firefox gets opened, now I need another empty place. Like I don't want to disturb this, and I want to go somewhere else to work on, so I can go to the workspace 2, and here we are, this is an empty space. So now if I open up the terminal over here, so it will create another third workspace, and I can go over there and do something else. So the workspaces is really helpful when you are doing multiple tasks and do not want to disturb one screen on another screen, so you can use the workspace. Now here we have the connection or the internet details, also the volume. So you can increase the volume and decrease the volume from here. Here you can see the internet connection that is wirely connected, just because of the settings we have made in the virtual box, in the VM workstation, the NAT network settings we have made in the VM workstation. That's why it's showing us wire connected. I'm connected with the Wi-Fi on main system, but it's showing me wirely connected because of the NAT network. And you cannot use your pre-built Wi-Fi device in your laptop or in your computer in a virtual machine, but you can only use that wirely connected. If you're willing to connect the external devices, external Wi-Fi device or something like that, videos are coming up on that as well. So stay tuned. Consider subscribing if you are interested in learning ethical hacking and programming. Some really cool stuff is coming up, but right now just understand that our system or our virtual machine is wirely connected to the network. Here you can see that VPN is off. You can set the VPN from here, you can set the proxy, and this is our main account. Here you can access the settings from here, and you can turn off your PC from here. So that is a little bit of a demo or a little bit introduction to Kali Linux. I hope you did understood what I wanted to show you, because everything is self-explanatory, and in upcoming videos we'll go through Kali Linux in great detail. So don't worry if you are not able to grasp your head around the Kali Linux. From the settings you can just set up the Bluetooth background notifications and much more. So just do your thing, open up Kali Linux and roam around in it, play along with terminal a little bit. Just write ls -help and search on internet for different commands and do your thing with the Kali Linux. So that's pretty much it for this video. The video is getting way too long because there is nothing much I can tell you right now in Kali Linux more. Just understand that this is the taskbar or the application bar, and this is our featured application. This is our desktop, this is time, this is video recorder, these are workspaces, and much more. So have a pleasant day. Bye for now. Till next time, enjoy hacking. Peace.